Sketchbook drawing for beginners. I am going to be using my oil pastels today, and I am starting a new series on here. So if you have any thoughts, ideas, you can leave it in the comments down below for more videos. And yep, we're going to get started. This is a nice, easy landscape. So I was showing 3 different greens. I have a light, medium, and dark. And I'm going to get started here with my medium shade of green first. So for most people, that would be about a sap green, or sometimes those bright Kelly greens are really pretty. So again, with the light, medium, and dark. And then I'm starting off here a little bit different. I am pushing the branches up instead of down, if you've seen my other tutorials. So this tree is a little bit different. And then make sure to do the branches different sizes. As I'm coming down here, they are getting a bit wider down towards the bottom. And then here I'm just using an olive green. I'm just doing an outline to simplify the ground area here, as I'm looking at my reference photo. And then up top will be our mountains. So we're getting the layout here, and this is a full tutorial, so it's a little bit longer than my other ones. But I'm just getting the color down here, and then I will use my blender, start to blend things through here. And just take your time, back and forth, back and forth. You can rock it. And I am using my blender stick, paper stump, whatever you'd like to call it, or you can use your fingers, or I actually have, I showed it in my other videos. It's a little piece of rubber, like a little silicone that you can put on your finger and blend it through. It's from the Dollar Tree. So whatever you have, whatever you like to use to blend with. Some people use Q-tips as well. So you have lots of options. And then once you're done with your blending, I'm going to use this is about a medium shade of gray from my set. So I'm just doing an outline here of the mountains. And then just breaking up some of these larger shapes. Very gently using it on its side to get the skinny lines. And then mapping out here where the shadow areas and some of the snow will be. Since our paper is white, it is easier if you just leave the white of the paper. If you make a mistake, you can always go back in with your white too. And then I'm going to start to fill in the area. Here I'm using a burnt umber, and then I'm going to use a lighter brown, which is similar to a raw sienna as well, down here on the base of the mountains, and mixing it in through the grassy area here as well too. For some of the darker shadow areas on the tree and the mountains, I have a dark blue that I'm using here. So just the undersides of some of the branches down and through the middle, and just filling in some of the white spaces as well. And here I'm just adding in that blue, just mixing it in with some of the gray. And here I did leave the lines and the texture just because I thought it looked a lot better because it's a mountain, but you can certainly smooth yours out a bit if you'd like to. As we're coming to the end here, I just wanted to say that if you enjoy the longer tutorials, be sure to leave a heart or a comment down below just so I know to do more. And thank you.